I will present the conclusion and analysis of results from workshop 5 and 6, focused in the removal, inspection, and installation of the ALF 502R turbine fan engine fan model. These procedures help us extend our technical knowledge in maintenance procedures and safety practice. In the first steps, we remove the fan blades and spinner using the aircraft maintenance manual. A critical step was mesh marking components to ensure correct reinstallation and balance. Builds document blade position, serial number, and moment weight in an Excel, which prove essential training for future maintenance. In the inspection is another case. The during of the inspection, we check the blades for cracks, erosion, and wears. The step 6 shows that cleaning or limit depends of the manual. Require correct action. In addition, boroscope inspection read the damage caused with thermal fatigue or possible faults. In this case, hardly for the important to prevent the maintenance of the engine. In the repair, were performed according to approved procedures. We use the sheet-stock to maintain alignment, apply a specific torque valve, or align to the verificative clearing. Once the discretes were correct, the fan blade, spinner, and compressor, then assembly were reinstalled of the engine, restoring the model to end airflow condition or another steps. In final of the conclusion, I think in conclusion this workshop demonstrate the importance of follow the aircraft maintenance manual using the special tools or normal tools in scheming precise records, proof, target alignment and document not only ensure safety but also prevent costly faults. This experience significantly improves our technical and practical understanding of turbine engine maintenance. Thank you so much.